Hey guys, it's been a while since I was last this excited to open a laptop. We all know that Acer is one of the world's premier manufacturer for laptops and also gaming devices. Right now, we're going to open the Acer Nitro 5 together with the Rapoo MT750S, and this is gonna be a good experience. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Hey guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. And if you're looking for something good to watch for Gadget, and you're here in the right place. But before that, why not click the subscribe button now? So we skipped the unboxing and took the laptop out of the box. And these are what we have on the table. We have the Acer Nitro 5 here. We have the user guide and warranty cards. We have the charging brick and the adapter, which is not really that small. I'm a little bit used to those small chargers that we can carry all around all day long. But yeah, of course, it's a gaming laptop, so we expect it to be a bit bigger since it is more power hungry. And of course, this one we can unbox the Rapoo MT750S, and taking it out of the box, it's quite simple. This is a very multi-mode wireless mouse. You can see, open here. It's the mouse itself, looking nice, ergonomic mouse. It has 3 wireless connection. Here's the dongle. For me, I'll go with the dongle connection to ensure me of a seamless connection with my laptop. And of course, this comes with a micro USB charging cable. And that's it. Acer has been making good laptops since 1997. And I'll throw in some trivia. My first ever laptop is that Acer Travel Mate. Back in the early 2000. Well, it really makes me excited upon opening this box. And yeah, my first time opening that Acer Travel Mate when I was a kid is wow. Really, wow. Since it's my first, I can also remember how hard I bought it from Taiwan, and right now, you can buy it at any Acer concept stores nationwide here in the Philippines. And I'm equally excited opening this Acer Nitro 5. It's my first ever gaming laptop from Acer. And the price, you'll be surprised. It's below 50,000 for a gaming laptop. And I'll tell it to you later. Just keep watching. Okay, let's go down to business. This laptop comes with an AMD Ryzen 7 3750H coupled with a 4 gigs of RAM, DDR4 of course, 256 gig of SSD storage, plus 1 terabyte or hard drive storage. It also has a 15.6 IPS LCD FHD 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. Of course, the graphics card is an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. It comes with a 4 gig of GDDR5 RAM, which is wow. And the battery capacity is a 55 watt-hour 4-cell lithium-ion battery. It can last you up to 9 hours on normal usage, of course, gaming not included. And what's best? 2 years of local warranty. What more can you ask for? It's all here on this laptop. So, taking a quick tour on this laptop, I can say that the keyboard is really nice. It doesn't give me that RGB feel, but the red backlit keyboard is really nice. I've been typing this for roughly 2 weeks already, and yeah, it gives you a good experience running the keyboards, typing some documents, doing some photo and video edits on this one. It's really capable. The trackpad for me is just okay, but my personal preference, I want a bigger trackpad for me to use all those gestures for Windows, but this one is quite enough. And I can say the screen, the FHD IPS LCD is really nice. The colors are punchy and the black is really black. But of course, the viewing angle, I can say, no matter where you look at it, it's still the same. That's what I like about the display. You can see that Acer made the flex here pretty well. It is very durable, and I'm sure that this one won't give up on you that easily. What I really like about this laptop is the chamfered edges. It gave me that gaming feel on this laptop And of course, the quite bezel-less sides, it's really, really nice. Almost nothing on the side of your screen. I really prefer those bezel-less design. On top, we have a 720p camera and of course your microphone in. And taking a look at the cover, you can see the Acer logo is etched over here. Then some carbon fiber finish on the side. This one is really, really smooth one, saying we know that this is a plastic material. Down here, you can see the Nitro logo. And at the back, it's full of exhaust here. So this is probably used with the liquid cooling system on this laptop. Down here, we can see the fan. And right now, taking a look at the right side of the laptop, we can see the 3.5mm audio jack. We have a USB here, some LED indicators, your power in, and of course, exhaust. Then taking a look at the left side, you can see the Kensington lock, the LAN port, HDMI, USB Type-C port, and of course that rounds up pretty much on the outer appearance of this laptop. So right now we'll take a look on the Rapoo MT750S. This mouse is really, really nice. It's very ergonomic. I like the design. There's a lot of buttons on here, and right now we're going to identify each one of them. You have the left click and the right click here. Definitely the scroll wheel. Then this one is your device switch button. This can support up to 3 devices. Then DPI switch. On the side we have the forward button and the back button. Then the side scroll wheel. Then there's some LED indicators here when you switch between device, and there's a lightning icon when it turns red. You need to charge this stuff. This mouse comes with a 300 milliampere hours of battery inside. Definitely, it will last you quite a while. And underneath, we have the switch button here. And on top, the micro USB charging port. And the rubber feel on the side of the mouse is really great. This one gives you a good grip on the mouse when you're playing, on where you're doing some photo editing, video editing. This is a mouse definitely that I consider to buy either for gaming or for daily use. And now for my experience on the Acer Nitro 5. I've been using this laptop for roughly 2 weeks already. And I can say the storage is for me is just enough. 256 gig of SSD gives you that fast boot up. Then 1 terabyte of storage, giving just enough space to put my videos in there after editing before I transfer down to my NAS. And what I like about the keys is that it gives you that concave feel. You can see here, it's a little bit hard to show you, but the keys, except the numpad of course, they are all concave towards inward, giving your thumb that natural feel when typing. Now the trackpad is really, really responsive, but for me, I really prefer that bigger trackpad for me to perform all those gesture for Windows 10. But I guess this one is quite enough for daily use, but only it's just my personal preference that I want a bigger trackpad. Having 4 USB connection to this laptop is more than enough. 1 USB Type-C and 1 USB 2.0, 2 USB 3.0, it's more than enough. I cannot ask for more. The only thing that is lacking here is probably the card reader. With that said, probably you need to buy yourself a dongle for this one when you use a lot of memory cards. HDMI port is here. Just can port this anytime to my TV for that bigger experience whenever I need it. Of course, for presentation wise. For me, having the LAN port here is quite important. Why? I really prefer a good connection. Wired connection definitely still the best for me. Wireless sometimes is still, well, not really that reliable, especially when you're in crunch time or when you're at an intense battle and you suddenly lose connection. It really sucks. Now, after playing for roughly 4 hours on this laptop, I can say it's not that warm. Why? I can always press this Nitro button on my laptop and it will pull out the Nitro sense. I can see the cool boost here. You can see how fast the fan on my GPU and my CPU is running. Then I can customize the fan. Then putting it out to the max whenever I need it. Okay, and see, you can run up to near 6,000 RPM on both fans. That way, the heat is quickly dissipated out and giving you that just the right temperature on your keyboard, give you that good gaming experience. Now, speaking of games, I've played a couple of games on this one, and I can say that the experience is nice. There's no frame drops, there's no thermal throttling. Whenever there's a thermal throttling, I just need to push the fan to the maximum and it will do its job. Now, for the Rapoo MT750S, I had a good experience on this mouse, and definitely it's really highly recommended for you to get this mouse either for gaming, for office use. It's very, very responsive. Using this mouse to play games and also photo edit is really, really a good experience since it doesn't give me that too much strain on my palms, and the ergonomic design, I really like it. This laptop comes with a pre-installed Windows 10 single language English, and definitely it's so easy to install. Just need to put in all your credentials, have a Windows account ready, and Cortana will just walk you through the installation. It's easy. And okay, here's the price. This laptop is priced as 54,990 pesos in the Philippines, and right now if you buy it in the Acer Philippines official website, it's slashed down to 44,990. That's an automatically 10,000 pesos off, and of course you get 2 years of warranty from Acer, which is really, really something to consider if you want to have a good laptop for gaming, for photo editing, for video editing. This one can really perform. Of course, it doesn't really look that much of a gaming laptop to me. The design is more subtle compared to those other gaming laptops that's priced at 70, 80, 90,000 pesos. This one, I can say it's really, really, how do you call that? A mid-range gaming laptop? Well, yeah, I can say that. And the processor AMD Ryzen 7 is definitely a performer. For me, I really highly recommend this Acer Nitro 5 laptop for a daily use, especially for those heavy users. To pair it together with the Rapoo MT750S, it's gonna give you a good experience. Either you go for gaming or you go for photo editing or video editing, or for just working on Excel or just watching movies. Simple. So guys, what do you think of the Acer Nitro 5 and the Rapoo MT750S? Do hit me up on the comment section below and let's have a discussion. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos here on my channel. And I do hope to see you on my next video.